Hello YouTube, it's been a while, hasn't it? First of all, I apologise if you are a subscriber to the channel. I took December off like I do pretty much most years, and although I took that time off, I was still trialing and testing different methods behind the scenes of making money online. Now in today's video, I'm going to give you a breakdown and also share with you examples of how I was able to earn this amount of money that you can see on the screen. This was £2,700. That's a little over $3,000 from the method we're looking at today as a complete beginner. So here's the cool thing about this method. You don't need any skills. You don't need experience. You don't need a website. You don't need an email list. And you don't need a lot of time for this method, okay? And here's the thing. I shared this method with a number of people. And those people who actually jumped in and took action with this method were earning within day one, within day two, and I'll share those results with you. So please watch the video till the end because I can give you a guarantee. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how I was able to earn this amount of money in the first 4 weeks. I'll also share with you, if I scroll down here, how I earned this in the second month using this method, okay? It's incredibly simple. It's new, it's unsaturated, and it's without doubt the easiest method I have seen in a long time to earn money online. So, what is that method, I hear you asking? So let's dive over here and I'll show you what this is, okay? Now, this is taking advantage of the TikTok shop. No, you don't have to be on camera like this and be real excited about getting some cream and potions and other bits. It's a hell of a lot better than this, okay? So if you don't know, TikTok have created their own shop. Now, they have done this to compete with the likes of Amazon and eBay and potentially Etsy. Now, on the face of it, you might think, wow, why would anyone shop on TikTok? Well, the platform is getting a lot bigger. Big companies like Starbucks and Costa and Adidas and Puma all have shops over on TikTok whereby they are selling their products to consumers within the app. So it's a brilliant concept because, especially over on TikTok, people don't have to leave the platform. They can be scrolling through TikTok and then they can end up seeing a video like this. If they decide to buy the product, like this one down here, then the creator here earns an income, earns a commission. However, the person who's scrolling through TikTok, they don't have to leave and go to an external website or anything like that. It's all done with inside of the app. And for us as affiliates, the potential with this is ridiculous. And as I've mentioned, you don't need to be on camera if you don't want. I'm going to show you examples of this as well. But there are thousands of products within here, okay? Within the TikTok shop. And you can partner up with big brands, big companies, small companies, local businesses, and lots more. And essentially what happens is you can create a video around that product and you can earn a commission. Now, when it comes to the videos, there are many different ways that you can do these videos. And I'll share with you some examples around this, okay? Because honestly, I am focusing a lot more on this method after doing the case study because of the potential with this. It's genuinely, absolutely ridiculous, okay? Now, the thing to point out is, in terms of this method, it is only available in a number of countries, okay? It's available in the UK, the US, Indonesia, Canada, and a couple of other countries. In fact, I'll go over here. Let me see if I can find it for you. Come over here and I'll show you where this is actually available. So it is here, look. UK, US, Canada, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. So those are the countries whereby this method is available. So you can dive in and get started with this method. But let me share with you some examples of people who are in the affiliate program and the type of content they're creating, okay? Because it really isn't what you think it should be, okay? So let me share an example. So if I come over to this one over here, this is a shop. It's got 5,000 followers. It's called Shop Till You Drop. Now notice on this channel over here, all they're doing, literally all they're doing, is taking free stock footage. Now notice this video here with the glass. Look at the video next to it. Look at the video over here and the video down here. Look at this video and this video and this video. They're taking B-roll, essentially free stock footage, and they're putting text over the top of this. And then within that video, they are linking to an affiliate product and they're making money from this. And it seemed, you're probably looking at it thinking it's ridiculous. Who would buy this? I know people are buying from this shop. So you see this one over here, 2.9 million views. I only discovered this account over here because within the app, TikTok will show you the top 100 creators for the day and the accounts which have made the most money. This one popped up a number of times and I thought, what are they doing to make money? Went over to their account and I noticed this is what they're doing. This is B-roll. They're not on camera. They're not speaking. It's literally, in fact, let me click into one and I'll try and mute it. So I'm going to click on here. Look, it says, nah, this hoodie is so fire and it's less than £10. So if I click on there, this is the video. So I click on there and this is it. It is literally just this in the background. And then over here we can see nearly 74,000 people have liked this video, 78 people have commented, over 5,000 people have clicked on this as their favourite. And you can see up here it says commission paid. It's just ridiculous. If we go to the next one, this is what's this? Same concept, electric razor for £3. So it's prompting people to click the link below so that they can earn a commission. It really is a ridiculously simple method. And all of the videos are done in the same way. So that's one method that you can do with this, is using free stock footage to create these videos. Another account that I found was this one over here. And this one is called what's that? Tracy's Daily Finds. Now, if I scroll down here, we'll notice on this account, guess what they're doing here? You can see the finger here, this lady's finger here. All she's doing is going through the TikTok shop, finding products and creating a video using a phone of her pointing at the screen like this, and she's earning commissions from doing this. That is another way that you can do this method, but it is literally a case of opening up the laptop, finding a product and recording it and pointing at it, and she's earning some pretty decent money. I mean, look at that, 107,000 views. So obviously I've been doing this method myself. I'll show you my account. So if I come over here, this is my account. Now, a couple of things. Notice this video over here. This was posted 10 days ago. It's had 2.6 million views. I'm not on camera. I'm literally holding up a bottle of Prime. That video there, how much do you think that video has earned? Comment down below. I'd be interested to see your initial thoughts on that. But, spoiler alert, I can tell you from that video over there, we have earned nearly £800, so $1,000 from that video. That video is 17 seconds long. And all I'm doing is holding up a bottle of Prime that you can get in any shop, okay? This video next to it, 1.3 million views. These curtain lights, I'm not in the video. I'm not speaking. What am I doing? I'm literally doing that with my phone, recording it. That video there earned me £1,300. It's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. And then you can see this is a video that I've just put on this morning, and then we've got a couple more from today, and then these are the videos from yesterday. I mean, look at that one, already up to 13,800 views, 1,600, 7. But look at this here. All of these, I'm not on camera. You're not seeing me. I am talking because I'm just opening and showcasing the products. But again, this is a different way that we can do these videos. Okay. And look, some videos take off, like these ones over here, thousands of views, and some get, 4, 5, 600 views. But every video that we are putting onto the platform has the potential to be earning us commissions. This one over here, this awesome veg chopper, all I did was I showcased the product. It's had 46,000 views. That video over there, last time I checked it, had earned £240. So about $300 from me showcasing this product. Side note, I got that product for free. How cool is that? So literally, get given free products, create a video around that product, and commissions. It's awesome. Now, the other thing about this method as well, what I want to share with you is, when we originally started this channel over here, we was documenting it and doing a case study on this. And basically, not many people know this. Inside of TikTok, they have their own video creator. So basically, you can go into TikTok and you can see all of these videos here. This one, this one, this one, this one. Come further on the page. Where's it gone? Let's come down here. This one, further down the page as well. This one, this one. Lots of these videos here were done inside of TikTok. So basically, TikTok created the video for me. They embedded the affiliate link into the video and then they promote it on the platform. and I was earning money from it this way as well. This is when I first discovered this method. Okay, I was literally just using the actual video creator inside of TikTok. And it's insane. In the first week, using just this video creator, we earned £300. I mean, look at that. 10,000 views. Scroll further on the page. We've got 1,700 views, 3,000, 2,000, 1,400. It's just so simple and ridiculous, this method. It really is. So, I said to you at the beginning, I shared this method with people, and those who took action on this, they were earning some money essentially. So let me show you that right now. So if I come over here, you can see, look, Martin got his first sale day 2. By day 2, he'd earned some money. Scroll down. Bobby, he set it up, 20 minutes to set this up, posted 4 videos, he earned a commission. Jay set it up the night before, woke up, and look, he'd earned some money. How cool is this method? It's honestly the most simplest and easiest way I've seen to earn online in a long, long time. It genuinely is that straightforward and simple. Now, if you want to learn more about this and jump into this TikTok affiliate program, then you can go on YouTube and you can search up different videos and read blog articles about this. If you want something that has been done and created for you, whereby you get given a full 40-day case study and also a training and a community around this, I'll drop a link to this down below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. We've created a full training platform around this whole opportunity, and we've also included the 40-day case study. Okay, so if you want to check that out, link down below. But look, even if you don't want to go ahead and check this out, I highly encourage you to dive into this method, because we've earned some ridiculous money with this. My 10-year-old son, he's earning money with this. He earned, I'll show you this. So this here was within his first week. He earned money. And then if I scroll down here, you can see this is him over here. This is his estimated commission. On one day, he earned over $70. And then a few days later, he earned over $100 in one single day on TikTok as a 10-year-old. It's unreal. It absolutely is. And then you can also get access to thousands of free samples within TikTok. You can see these are all different samples that I've had from this. So look, that is today's video. If you've got any questions, then comment down below. Let me know. And what do you think of this method? Do you like it? Do you think there's potential with this? I mean, you can see on here, these were some of my own numbers throughout this case study. It's just been absolutely ridiculous. So look, that's it. That's today's video. So check out the TikTok affiliate program. Highly recommended. And I'll see you soon.